to Sohoton Cove. Going to naked Daku and Guyam Island. I can't pronounce it. Here we go anyway. We're getting another boat now to Sohoton Cove, but this place looks pretty nice.
General Luna, we're starting here. Travel here. Bocus Grande.
Another site visit for Architect Russell. You made it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hi, Raj.
Alright. Get inside the cove.
The cove. Oh, amazing. One, two, three, go.
Can I get back on the boat now? Can I get back on the boat now? Excuse me, can I get back on the boat? I want to get on the boat. What do you think about that?
Beautiful.
Don't ever fly your drone off one of these boats because you crash and injure your hands like I did. So here at Naked Island, as you can see, it's pretty naked, nothing here really. That's why it's called Naked Island. It's basically just a desert island. Not very big. A few boats around. You could at least clean some of this shit up. It's like, oh, I suppose it's just seaweed and stuff, but there's a few bottles and stuff around. Okay, check that's it. It's not much of an island really.
Welcome to Daku Island.
Incredible, absolutely beautiful and breathtaking.
Daku is big.
Means big, because it's big compared to
The other
Naked
islands,
Island.
yeah. Go and swim. Nothing's here.
So that was Daku Island sunset. Here it is, and all that shit. Thanks for watching my journey in the Philippines. Now Guyam Island. So this is the end of our boat trip. This is the last island. Sunset at Guyam Island. Thanks for watching. Spent all my time doing these stupid fucking videos that I missed the sunset, I missed everything.